Hi guys. Today I will be showing you how to get milk in Farming and Friends. You will need a barn, a feeder, a cow, a small animal trailer, a small liquid transport trailer, and a level 2 tractor or truck. So assuming you already have a level 2 truck or tractor, the total cost will be 20.5 thousand coins. So make sure you have that before raising a cow. Let's start the instructions. First, hook up your animal trailer and drive to the animal store. Then park under the place where there is a sign that shows a cow. Next, walk into the store. Then talk to the person and add a cow. Then click purchase. After that, walk back into your truck. Then drive back. To put the cow in your fence place, release the cow from the trailer. After it gets out of the trailer, interact with the cow and click the lasso. Then click the lasso on your fence gate. And then your cow will go into the fence. After the cow is in the fence, close the fence gate. Now we can move on to milk. To make your cows go into your barn, do the same thing as you did with the fence, but just click the lasso next to your barn, not your fence. You can also herd multiple cows at the same time by clicking on them. To milk your cow, press the milk button when the cow is in the barn. I recommend waiting until there is 300% milk so you will get 3 milk bottles. Also, I recommend milking when cow is 90% or above in happiness so you get free-range milk. As you can see here, my cow is over 90% happiness and has 300% milk, so I get 3 free-range milks.
Nice.
Now you need to put the milks in your truck. So pick up the milk and put it in your truck. Okay, now on to selling milk. Just drive to the animal store with your liquid trailer attached to your vehicle. Why does free-range milk have to sell for so low? I guess I have to deal with it. To sell your milk, drive under the place where there is a sign that shows a milk bottle. Then you can click sell menu like you do with crops and sell the milk. And there you have it. Now you know how to make and sell milk in Farming and Friends. That's all for today. Bye.